In this video, I'm going to show you some different ways you can take a screenshot of your Chromebook screen. So let's start with the first method. The first method is by using a keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut that you have to press are the Ctrl, Shift, and then the show screen keys on the keyboard. And if you don't know where you can find those keys, fortunately, I have a photo of a keyboard layout on a typical Chromebook device, and I'm going to show you what keys that you have to press. So this is a normal keyboard layout on Chromebook, and there are a lot of keys, and the one that we want to press are Ctrl, Shift, and then the show Windows key. This is called show Windows key, and it is being represented by a rectangular icon next to I guess a pair of two lines. So that's the icon. I don't know why they use this, but it is called show Windows key. Now Ctrl, Shift, and then show Windows, or you can also use Ctrl and show Windows key, but I'm going to cover about that later. So for now, let's try the first combination. I'm going to close this and I'm going to press Ctrl, Shift, and then show Windows. Ctrl, Shift, and then show Windows. And this is the result. So now you can see that we can either take a screenshot or take a video recording of the screen. So for now, I'm going to use a screenshot. And there are three different options here. This is the full screen. This is going to take everything on the screen. This is where you can select which part of the screen that you want to take a screenshot. So you can draw a square, and that square will be captured. And also lastly, there is an active window. If you have an active window and you want to only take a screenshot of that window or app, then you can use this option. And also there is this setting where you can this is for video basically, but you don't have to worry about that. And I think what matters is really where you want to save the screenshot that you have captured. By default, it's going to select the download folder, but you can of course use a different folder. So for now, let's try taking a screenshot and let's see what's going to happen. For this time, I'm going to take the whole screenshot for the whole screen. So I'm going to select this option and I'm going to click anywhere on the screen to capture the screenshot. So this is the result, and Chrome OS will give you this preview, and also the screenshot is captured on the keyboard. So sorry, to the clipboard, and you can paste it to an application that supports showing an image. And by the way, the screenshots are located in the downloads folder. If you open the downloads folder, you should be able to see the screenshot. So this is the screenshot that I just made literally a few seconds ago, and yeah, this is how it looked. Right, so previously I mentioned about how you can use the Ctrl and then show keys to take a screenshot. Yeah, that's definitely another combination that you can try. You can use Ctrl and then the show keys window, and that shortcuts is going to take the full screen screenshot. If I press Ctrl and show Windows right now, it's going to take a screenshot of the whole screen, and it will be saved instantly to your device. So personally, I've been using that shortcut a lot because it's just a lot easier, and not to mention I often just want to take the whole thing. I'm not going to take a screenshot of a specific area or a specific app, and that's why that shortcut for me was very, very useful. So that's basically how you can take a screenshot on your Chromebook device, whether it was a tablet or a laptop, and the process is basically the same. You can use Ctrl, Shift, and then the show keys on the show Windows keys on the keyboard to take a screenshot. So if you found this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.